New Jersey Domestic Violence Temporary Restraining Order (TRO) law is intended to protect victims of domestic violence by allowing them to seek legal protection from their abuser. However, in some cases, the law can be used as a sword rather than a shield. This means that the law may be used in ways that are not intended and can lead to negative consequences for the person against whom the TRO is issued. Here are 3 ways in which the New Jersey Domestic Violence TRO law can be used as a sword and not a shield. 1. False allegations of domestic violence can be used as a sword in the sense that a person may use the threat of a TRO to gain an advantage in a child custody dispute or to gain leverage in a divorce proceeding. For example, a parent may make false allegations of domestic violence in order to gain sole custody of a child or to receive a more favorable settlement in a divorce case. This can lead to innocent people being falsely accused and facing serious consequences, such as loss of their parental rights or being barred from their own home. 2. The broad definition of domestic violence under New Jersey law can also be used as a sword. This is because the definition includes not only physical abuse but also emotional abuse, harassment, and stalking. This means that a TRO can be issued in situations where the alleged behavior is not truly violent or abusive. For example, someone may seek a TRO based on allegations of emotional abuse, which can be difficult to prove and may not involve physical harm. This can lead to TROs being issued in situations where the alleged behavior does not warrant such severe legal action. 3. Lastly, the TRO process in New Jersey can be used as a sword by allowing for Exparte TROs to be issued, meaning that the person against whom the TRO is issued does not have the opportunity to be heard in court before the TRO is put into place. This can lead to TROs being issued without proper consideration of the rights and needs of all parties involved. This can be problematic if the TRO is based on false allegations or if it places undue restrictions on the person against whom the TRO is issued. This lack of due process can also lead to an innocent person being unfairly penalized and subjected to legal action without the opportunity to defend themselves. In conclusion, while the New Jersey Domestic Violence TRO law is intended to protect victims of domestic violence, it can also be used as a sword in certain situations. False allegations, the broad definition of domestic violence, and the Exparte TRO process can all contribute to the law being used in ways that are not intended, leading to negative consequences for the person against whom the TRO is issued. It's important to understand the potential misuse of the law, and to ensure that due process is followed to protect the rights of all parties involved. It's also important to consider all the different angles of a domestic violence case and not to make hasty decisions that might harm the parties involved.